Hello students, I'm back with all of you all. Nice to talk to you through this platform. I'm here today to speak about the COVID warriors whom we call, that is our doctors. I hope all of you all are doing good. Let me take this opportunity to wish all the doctors a very happy Doctors' Day. You all know their importance, especially during these unprecedented times, how they bring us life, okay, give us their life for our sake, and how we should be thankful and make sure that we salute them with all our hearts. So as the saying goes, in India, doctors have the highest blessing, and they are treated as gods in our country. Is it not, children? And this is proved in the present situation, and they have also put in their best. Today I take this opportunity to bring in front of you the advice of some of our parents who are doctors in our parent community. They have come voluntarily to give you advice, their valuable suggestions, how to take care of yourself, and we are indeed privileged to have them with us. I take this opportunity to introduce you Dr. Hemsundar Garu, who is MD in Pediatrics, working with MyCure Hospitals, MyCure Clinics, at Madurvada, and all the children. You all know him better. He is always available to us 24/7. So here he is with this valuable message. I hope all of you will listen to him and take his advice. Thank you so much, children.
Hello, dear parents. Hi to my little angels. I'm Dr. Hemsundar. I'm a pediatrician working at Dr. Q Specialty Clinics, Madurvada. I'm here today on the occasion of Doctors' Day to share some of the few tips with my little heroes. Yeah, we're all in a very tough time today. Yes, we have a villain here, as you might be reading some comics and you might be watching in some cartoons. There are villains and there are heroes. Now it's a chance we all can become a hero by fighting against this invisible villain. Yes, our villain is invisible, but if we follow certain precautions and simple measures, we can definitely fight against this invisible villain. So let me tell you some of the simple precautions to follow. First thing, wash your hands properly. Washing it properly means giving at least 20 seconds time to wash your hands. There are techniques where you can follow. You can get it online. You can ask your parents how to wash your hands. And also you have to wash up to the elbows, not up to the wrists. You have to completely wash your hands up to the elbows. Second thing, when our hero gets into trouble, he enters into a safe zone to prevent attack from our villain. Likewise, we have safe zones here. Our safe zone is nothing but our house. So never ever try to leave your safe zone unless it is necessary. If ever you want to leave your safe zone, what our heroes do when they go out? Yeah, they wear a mask. They never remove it except when they're at home. So don't remove your mask unless you're at home. And at the same time, never poke your nose, don't poke your eyes, and try not to touch your face while you're outside. Drink lukewarm water whenever possible. You can add a pinch of salt or a pinch of turmeric to it if at all your throat feels some kind of roughness. As heroes such as Bahubali or Spider-Man often learn and practice what was learned, you should learn through all mediums, including online classes. You all can learn and stay focused with more concentration by attending online classes if you follow particular steps, such as take a deep breath before attending, just relax a bit. Maintain at least 40 centimeters from the gadget so that your eyes doesn't strain. Also, keep yourself happy and cheerful. without causing trouble to your family. Because happiness boosts up your immunity. Boosting the immunity, which means like giving power up to our hero. With more power ups, you can effectively fight against the villain. So be happy and be cheerful. Drink lukewarm water occasionally. If at all you feel some soreness or roughness in your throat, you can gargle with a little bit of hot water, warm water. While sitting, sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. If your spine is straight, your nervous system is more active and more attentive. Take breaks whenever needed. Sip some amount of lukewarm water occasionally. Above all, take interest in topics discussed in the online classes. And your interests keep you engaged in the class. To create interesting topics, I suggest parents to take initiative in creating curiosity towards the topic beforehand. Practice yoga or do some breathing exercises to keep yourself fit in both body and the mind. I do my part. I wear a face mask, a face shield, and gloves whenever I enter my clinic. So, my dear little angels, follow the precautions and become a superhero. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, doctor, for your valuable advice and your contribution. Your support is really commendable to all of us, and you doctors are indeed blessed with the magical powers to treat a life. I think what other way than to celebrate your life on this particular day. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much, sir. We also have another person coming in front of you to speak about one of the most important part for us to be healthy, and that is nutrition. Nutrition plays a very, very important role for the development of all the children. You all know that. So having a proper kind of nutrition helps us grow, develop in all the ways. So here is Mrs. Divya Manasa, this is Divya Manasa, who is a budding nutritionist, multi-talented and a gold medalist, coming before you to give you her suggestions and advice on how is it good to have a balanced, good, nutritious diet, and especially in today's times when all of the children are locked up in their homes, why is it necessary to have a right kind of nutrition to all of you all. Here she is sharing all her advice with all of you all. Hope you all will listen and follow the views that she has presented before she is presenting before all of you all. Thank you so much, children. Please have a look.
Very good morning to one and all. This is Divya Manasa. I am a wellness coach, and today is a very special day, that is Doctor's Day. So I wish all the doctors a very happy Doctor's Day. On this special day, I would like to speak a few words about nutrition. And I am going to tell you importance of nutrition and where do we get that nutrition and how does it help us in our daily life. So let's get started. So firstly, what is meant by nutrition? Nutrition is nothing but a well-balanced diet. Well-balanced diet? What is meant by well-balanced diet? Well-balanced diet, the name itself tells us that everything must be in a balanced state. That means the food we take must be in a balanced state. Balanced state means generally nutritious food means it includes carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers, etc. So these all the things must be in a equal and proper proportion, so that only we used to say that it is a nutritious and well balanced diet. So from where do we get these minerals, vitamins, proteins, etc.? As we all know, we get all these things through our food. Food is again of two types, healthy food and unhealthy food. Healthy food means it always gives us a good health and it contains more nutritive values, isn't it? And As if we are talking about healthy food, what to take as food to stay healthy? I used to say we have to take more amounts of greens, I mean leafy vegetables, milk, meat, fruits, dry fruits, high amount of protein food like pulses, cereals, etc. So what is the use of taking all this nutritious food, nutritious diet, that and all? Here comes the importance. By taking nutritious food, it helps us to improve our muscle health, development, growth, mental health, physical fitness, memory, intelligence for school children. Most of the school children nowadays we are seeing with spectacles. Why? Because of the deficiency of vitamin A. Why this deficiency is occurring? Because lack of nutrition. That's why nutrition is important in our daily life to keep us healthy and wealthy. For example, for school going children, if you give them daily good nutrition, it will help them to develop their brain, thinking, memory, intelligence. They can keep concentration, they can keep concentrating in the classes throughout the day, because children used to spend most of the time at school itself. So nutrition is very important for them, especially nowadays as we all going through a pandemic called COVID-19 or coronavirus, whatever it may be. So as we all know, there is not yet any vaccine for coronavirus. Only thing is boosting our immune system or immunity, especially for children, growing children. How can we provide them with good immune power or immunity? ఎలా ఇవ్వగలం మనం వాళ్ళకి మంచి ఇమ్యూన్ సిస్టమ్ కానీ మంచి ఇమ్యూనిటీ పవర్ కానీ? బై ప్రొవైడింగ్ దెమ్ గుడ్ ఫుడ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ గుడ్ న్యూట్రిషన్. మంచి ఆహారము, తర్వాత పోషక విలువలు కలిగినటువంటి ఆహారాన్ని ఇవ్వడం ద్వారా వాళ్ళకి మన రోగనిరోధక శక్తి అనేటువంటిది పెంచగలం. Isn't it? So what kind of foods we have to take to improve our immune system? Mostly, remember, keep this in your mind. I'm stressing this one more time. Citrus fruits or citrus vegetables are very, very important nowadays. C vitamin, citrus means C vitamin. C vitamin ఉండేటువంటి ఆహార పదార్థాలని ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు రోజువారీ డైట్లో మీరు ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసుకోండి. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ ఇంక్లూడ్ దీస్ C vitamin foods in your daily food. Because it will boost your immune system and helps you to fight the foreign particles, viruses, whatever it may be. ఈ సి విటమిన్ ఎక్కువగా మీరు తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే ఇటువంటి వైరసెస్ నుంచి లేదా ఇంకేదన్నటువంటి ఫ్లూ, జ్వరాలు, దగ్గులు అన్నిటినీ ఫైట్ చేయగలిగేటువంటి మంచి ఇమ్యూన్ పవర్ని ఈ సి విటమిన్ అనేది మనకి ఇస్తుందన్నమాట. సో ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ డు వి గెట్ దీస్ సిట్రస్ విటమిన్స్ ఆర్ సి విటమిన్, దట్ అండ్ ఆల్? రిమెంబర్, rich source of C vitamin we can get from papaya, kiwi, lemons, guava, etc. So make it as your daily meal. రోజు ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా మన డైట్లో ఉండాలి, రోజు ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా మనం తీసుకోవాలి. And not only that, daily on an average a person needs 18 grams of protein per day. సాధారణ సగటు మనిషికి 18 గ్రాముల ప్రోటీన్ అనేటువంటిది ఖచ్చితంగా అవసరపడుతుంది. ఈ ప్రోటీన్ అనేటువంటిది మనకి వెజిటబుల్స్ నుంచి, ఫ్రూట్స్ నుంచి, డ్రై ఫ్రూట్స్ నుంచి తప్పకుండా లభిస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే ఇస్, ప్లీజ్ ఇంక్లూడ్ డ్రై ఫ్రూట్స్, మిల్క్, eggs and some low fat dairy products as your daily meal. ఇది రోజు తీసుకునే ఆహారంలో ఇవి కంపల్సరీగా మీరు పెట్టుకోండి. అలా చేసినప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మీకు కావాల్సినంత ప్రోటీన్ కూడా మీ ఆహారంలో మీకు అందుతుంది. సో అది ఒక మంచి న్యూట్రిషన్గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఇట్ కెన్ వర్క్ యాజ్ ఎ గుడ్ న్యూట్రిషన్. So nutrition is not only about food, it is also about water. Water is most important thing in our daily life. So for every 20 kgs of weight, 1 liter water is compulsory. By taking plenty amount of water, it can keep you away from free radicals, harmful substances, urea, like that. Because water helps us to filtrate our blood purification. Water helps in blood purification, eliminating and excreting the waste materials through kidneys, and it will maintain the excretory system in a proper way. Not only that, by consuming proper proportion of water, sodium and potassium levels in our body will be in a balanced state. That is very, very important. Why am I telling about water, nutrition, this and all is nowadays, from childhood onwards, we are seeing children with obesity, opticals, headaches, what not all we are seeing in children. These all are because of lack of nutrition. So, dear parents, please be cautious and selective about food which you are providing to your kid. So, my dear parents, how can you help your child to maintain nutritive values and nutritious food to your child? Send them some fruits as snacks, and to the lunch, send the rice in less quantity and curries in more quantity. And make the children to adopt themselves as a habit to consume these fruits, nuts as their daily meal. మీరు రోజువారీ మీ పిల్లలకి స్నాక్స్ బాక్సుల్లో ఫ్రూట్స్ కానివ్వండి, డ్రై ఫ్రూట్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఇటువంటివి అలవాటు చేయండి. వాళ్ళకి రోజు బిస్కెట్స్ కానీ చాక్లెట్స్ కానీ ఇలాంటివి అలవాటు చేయరు. ఎందుకంటే చిన్న వయసు నుంచే వాళ్ళు హై క్యాలరీ ఫుడ్ అనేది తీసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారంటే ఎర్లీ ఆన్సెట్ ఆఫ్ డయాబెటీస్ నవడేస్ మనం చూస్తున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఎర్లీ ఆన్సెట్ అంటే చిన్న వయసులోనే డయాబెటీస్ అనేటువంటిది వస్తుంది. ఒబేసిటీ అనే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ పిల్లలు ఎదుర్కొంటున్నారు. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, మోరోవర్ if you provide them with good fruits and nuts, this kind of food helps them to stay active in the classes. ఎక్కువసేపు పిల్లలు యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటూ చెప్పిన లెసన్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ కూడా వినడానికి ఈ ఫుడ్ అనేటువంటిది వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, if you send some baked items, highly processed foods, that and all, ఈ ఫుడ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అని అంటే తొందరగా పిల్లలు లేజీ అయిపోతారు. స్టమక్ విల్ ఫీల్ ఫుల్, కడుపు నిండినట్టే ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఆ ఫుడ్ వల్ల వాళ్ళకి ఎటువంటి ఉపయోగం ఉండదు. సో ప్రాపర్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, ప్రాపర్ లంచ్ అండ్ ప్రాపర్ డిన్నర్, along with these three, proper amount of water, and last but not least, physical activity. Daily 1 hour physical activity is must and should for children. Either it may be yoga, either it may be exercise, either it may be games, whatever it may be. But physical exercise is must and should for children. Physical activity అనేటువంటిది వాళ్ళకి ఎందుకు అని అంటే వాళ్ళకు ఉండే మెంటల్ స్ట్రెస్ అంతా కూడా రిలీవ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటారు, ఆకలి బాగా వేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు ఇచ్చే ఫుడ్ వాళ్ళు ఇమీడియట్గా తినడానికి కూడా రెడీగా ఉంటారు. సో న్యూట్రిషన్ అనేటువంటిది ఇంటర్లింక్ అన్నమాట. ద న్యూట్రిషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్లింక్ విత్ ఫుడ్, వాటర్ అండ్ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ. జంక్ ఫుడ్ మస్ట్ బి లైక్ రిలేటివ్ ఆర్ న్యూట్రిషియస్ ఫుడ్ మస్ట్ బి లైక్ ఫ్యామిలీ. దీని అర్థం ఏంటంటే బంధువులు అప్పుడప్పుడు వచ్చిపోతారు కానీ ఎప్పుడూ వచ్చి మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటారు. అవునంటారా కాదంటారా? సో అదేవిధంగా జంక్ ఫుడ్ అనేటువంటిది అలా ఉండాలి. What I mean to say is, I'm not telling you to avoid completely that ice creams, chocolates, whatever it may be. You have to enjoy all types of food. But these type of junk foods, high calorie foods must be in rare cases, and the nutritious food and healthy food must be in regular basis. ఈ జంక్ ఫుడ్, ఈ పదార్థాలన్నీ కూడా ఏవైతే మనకి హానికారకం అనుకుంటున్నామో ఇవన్నీ కూడా అడపాదడప ఎప్పుడో రేర్గా అలా తినాలే, కానీ రెగ్యులర్గా వాటిని అదే ఆహారంగా తీసుకోవడం అనేటువంటిది కంప్లీట్గా అవాయిడ్ చేయాలి. వాట్ యు ఈట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యు ఆర్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ యాజ్ సాలిడ్ ఫుడ్, వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో కన్స్యూమ్ good nutritious food in the form of juices also. But remember one thing, whatever the juice you take it as it is with its own sweetness. Don't go for added sugars and added flavors, that and all, because natural thing is always good for our body and good for our health. ఫ్రూట్ని ఫ్రూట్గానే తినడం చాలా హెల్తీ. అండ్ జ్యూస్ రూపంలో తీసుకోదలుచుకుంటే షుగర్ అస్సలు యాడ్ చేయదు. షుగర్ యాడ్ చేసి అలవాటు చేయడం కనుక మీరు చేశారు అనుకంటే మీరు పిల్లల ఒంట్లో చక్కెర నిల్వల్ని పెంచుతున్నట్లే. యు ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ద బ్లడ్ షుగర్ లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ చిల్డ్రన్. సో మీరు ఏదైనా జ్యూసెస్ చేయదలుచుకుంటే వాటిల్లో న్యాచురల్ స్వీట్నెస్, ఆ ఫ్రూట్కి ఎంత స్వీట్నెస్ అయితే ఉందో అంతనే మీ పిల్లలకి అలవాటు చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే పెద్దవాళ్ళంగా మనం అలవాటు చేసే అలవాట్లే పిల్లలు నేర్చుకుంటారు. సో మై డియర్ పేరెంట్స్, ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే, please help your children to be habituated with good food habits and nutritious food. So finally, I would like to thank Principal Madam of Balaji Highfields International School. Madam, I am thankful to you for giving me this golden opportunity to share some important information regarding nutrition. Thank you so much, Madam.
Thank you, Mrs. Divya Manasa. Thank you so much, Dr. Hemsundar Garu. We hope all our students will follow, and we will make sure that they will follow your advice, and hope that some of my students, our students, become doctors in future and contribute their bit to the society. And on behalf of Balaji educational institutions and Highfield School, we express our gratitude and thankfulness and value the profession that you have taken. Thank you so much for all your support and concern on this occasion of Doctors' Day. I personally also wish you a very happy Doctors' Day, and hope that you will have success in the profession you have chosen to, and also wishing the same to your family also. Thank you so much, and it was indeed a privilege talking to you through this platform. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your message. Thank you.